YouTubers? What's up, YouTubers, viewers? My name is Legend of the Epic, and today you probably know this. It's a BFB tier list. Don't dislike this video if you if I hate the character you want, if I hate the character you like. And also don't dislike the video if I like the character you hate. Please respect my opinion. And yeah, please respect my opinion. And let's begin the tier list. First of all, I'm gonna tell you the reason every character. I don't hate 8-Ball. 8-Ball is neutral because I don't know my opinion on him. Next is Balloony. Balloony, I don't really have an opinion on him. He's sometimes a bit annoying a bit to me, but he's sometimes a bit interesting to me. So I put in him a neutral. Next, Birth Bag. Birth Bag is in like because Birth Bag is birth bag is nice, a bit nice. She's nice. Next is for me. I just messed up a bit, so Bottle is next. Bottle is in okay, because I like her plans of preventing death. So basketball. Well, my opinions of basketball, Bell, and Black Hole are not in worst. Basketball is an okay, and Black Hole and Bell are in Bell and Black Hole are in neutral. Still, Buff Bag is the best. Next is Blocky. Overrated, but I find him a bit interesting. I'll just put him in like. And so, yes, you have to please respect my opinion on him. Next is Bombi. Bombi is super interesting. So I put him in love. Okay, Bombi sets the new record. About book, bracelet, bubble, cake, and clock. 5 contestants. Small book seems interesting to me, so book is in love. Bracelet is like very legend, so she's in the best. And about bubble, bubble is kind of overrated, so only put her on the like. And neutral is cake, and okay is clock. We still got a bunch of contestants. Actually, we're not gonna include the speaker boxes. We're only gonna include the 64 contestants, not non-existing. So we're gonna move him down here. Yeah, others. Okay, my next opinions of the next 10 contestants: Cloudy, Courtney, David, Donut, Dora, Eggy, Eraser, Fanny, Filene, Fire Jr. I'm not including Evil Leafy there. Of the opinions of these 10 contestants, Cloudy did just in like or even love, yeah, love. And Tiny improved, so like is suitable for him. David is underrated. I put him as okay. So please respect my opinion on David. For me, Dora is a bit annoying. She's just gonna stay on dislike. And for Donut, moving super high to the best. Worse than Bracelet though. So anyway, actually it depends on the level of like. I like Bell the most and I like Clock the most. For me, Bubble's cute, so I love Bubble the most. Yeah, Donut. I like Bracelet more than Donut. About Eggy, Eggy's fine. Just gonna put her somewhere and okay. About Eraser, Eraser's not very interesting. And if he wins more than Pen, whereas neutral is suitable for him. Fanny is in dislike for me because Fanny hates everything. Fiery, Fiery is good for me. Since he's bland, I'm just gonna put him in love, but he's way better. And then for Filey Jr., please respect my opinion on Filey Jr. He's a good and love. Okay. I like him more. Okay. Just gonna, yep. We put him here for many things. Still got many contestants left. About Flower, would you just please respect my opinion on her? Unfortunately, she's my least favorite. So please respect my opinion on her, okay? Don't dislike the video and don't unsubscribe. About Foldy, Fries, Gaty, Gelatin, Golf Ball, and Grassy. For Foldy, she's okay. For Fries, not okay. For Gaty, not quite okay. For Gelatin, also a bad. For Golf Ball, also bad. But for Grassy, please respect my opinion as I said. So Grassy's up here. I like him less than Donut. About Ice Cube, revengeful, but she's kind of cute contestant. Like this one. Leafy is like very, very high on top. Very high. Since Leafy, Leafy's right here. But also, Fairy Jr. is cute. But, it's fine, it's fine. We're getting close. Lightning is fine. Lai is way, yeah. Lai is good. Super, okay, love is fine. And Lollipop. Okay, about the opinions of Lollipop, Loser, Marker, Match, Naily, and Needle. Actually, who will stay here? Loser is fine. Marker is fine as well. Also Naily. Lollipop too. But Match and Needle are going up. For me, I'll leave them both. For Nickel's going very high. Like this high. Whoa. And for Pencil, she's fine. And for Pen, the opposite of Flower, Pen is my favorite character. For the other piece, for Pie, Pillow, Pen, and Puffball, for me, Pen is going up and up and up. And Pen is surprisingly one of the best. And Remote is fine. For Robot Flower, wait, where is Puffball? I forgot Puffball. And Pillow, okay, Pillow and Puffball. For me, Pillow's okay. And for Robody, nah. Rocky, yes, Rocky. Yeah, just high. For Ruby, well, you don't know how high up Ruby is going. Like this high. It's like second favorite without someone. Skipping several. About the opinions of these remaining contestants, we got very less left. Okay, just skip a cope. Katoto. What was the way hate? The little son is Katoto. Did you say cat? So okay, Snowball, stay in here. Also, Robot Flower. Okay, what about Teardrop? I don't know about Teardrop. Since Teardrop does not speak at all, I'll just put her in love. About TV. TV's going way up. Okay, just TV's in like. Well, Spongy. Don't know about Spongy. I've been liking him since BFDI. Okay, we have so many. And for yeah, Woody, and also Taco. For Woody, what will I give to Woody? I'll give him a third place. A third place. Who are the remaining contestants to put? Oh yeah, there's still Saw and Yellowface and Taco. Saw, Yellowface, and Taco are the only ones left. Saw, Yellowface, and Taco. Right? Saw is just in love. About Yellowface and Taco? About Taco and Yellowface? They're both in the best. And that's the end of the tier. So, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and more. Remember what I just said? Subscribe to my channel and like the video. Goodbye.